minutes away from King Charles III big coronation day, the first in 7 decades.
Obviously, this was a significant moment that you never want to miss for the world. When we got to the Queen's Park, everything was still being set up.
No, there's chocolate in them. Yeah. They're chocolate, little chocolate chips.
The food vendors were sponsored by the government of Ontario. Hot dog booth, burger booth, chicken barbecue, ice cream, all kinds of drinks. And you might not want to believe this, but all of the food and drinks were free.
Hi!
I mean, I've seen this type of views for almost 2 years now, but a day like this still gets me hyped up a little bit more than usual.
I'm so blessed to be here at the Queen's Park to witness this historical moment of our lives.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Captain Kevin Anderson. I'm the director of music of the band of the Royal Regiment of Canada. We're all reserve musicians, and we're just going to play a bit of music today before the festivities start at 11:15. So enjoy the music.
At 11:15 a.m., the ceremony begins.
Thank you so much. Before we raise the Canadian coronation emblem, I'd like to take a moment to share the symbolism and meaning of its design. The royal monogram in the center of the emblem and the royal crown at the top are personal.
Right after the flag-raising ceremony, we heard a loud gun salute. The crowds were starting to head this way and we followed, and then we got to find out the second side. Whoa, this is the kind of things I've seen in movies. Fire!
Executive leadership.
Back to the first side.
Initiatives in sport and music, and have preserved and revitalized over the last 18 years. To his credit, David has contributed tremendously to the growth of Canadian Executive Service Organization.
Of our new monarch, King Charles III. We do so with pride and dignity.
Well, good morning, everyone, and what a beautiful day to celebrate the coronation and welcome and thank you for joining us. I was so impressed when we came up and we saw so many people.
Well, after those important speeches, finally the party begins. I mean, Toronto is really going all in for this Coronation Day. Food, carnival rides, live entertainment, family fun activities. And on top of that, everything that day was free.